right, welcome back. We're going to do 3 more problems tonight. Let's go ahead and turn to page 192. We'll do problem number 105, 108, and 109. If you haven't done so already, push pause, work out all of those problems, and then I'm going to have you enter those problems in before I go over the answers. All right, let's take a look at the answers. Number 105. So they want us to find the length of the missing side using the tangent button. So I have a right triangle, so that's always a good thing. 8 degrees, and this is 82. And they want to know this. All right, so to figure out the length of the missing side, we're going to go tangent of 8 equals opposite over adjacent. So t over 82. We're going to multiply both sides by 82. And we get that. Now I have to use a calculator at this point. So I'm going to go 82 tangent, find my tangent button, and I get, let me lift that up so you can see it, of 8 equals 11.52. If you did not get 11.52, double check, go to mode, and make sure your calculator is in degrees. All right, let's do B. You have a 90-degree angle. This is 75 and 12 NP. So tangent of 75 equals opposite, which is the 12, over the adjacent, which is P. So I'm going to have to fraction bust this. So we got P tangent of 75 equals 12. Divide both sides by tangent of 75. And P equals, so 12 divided by tangent, there it is, tangent of 75. So we get 3.22. All right, and C, we have 68 degrees, 60, and B. Again, tangent of 68. Now 68's up here, so opposite is down here, so that's B, and adjacent is 60. So we're talking about opposite of my angle. Multiply by 60, and B equals 60 times the tangent of 68, and we get 148.51. All right, number 108. We're looking at an expected value problem. So we have a spinner. They made that spinner crooked. I'm going to fix it and just make it not crooked. So we have -3, 10, and 6. So remember, expected value is found by taking the probability times the value that's shown there. So the probability of this section right here is 1/4, or 90 over 360. I just reduced it. So we've got -3 plus the probability of this section, again, is 90 over 360, or 1/4, times 10, plus, this is half, right, or 180 over 360, times 6. So all I have to do is put all of that into my calculator. So it's going to be 0.25 times -3 plus 0.25 times 10 plus 0.5 times 6, and I get 4.75. So I would expect to get 4.75, I guess these are points maybe, 4.75 points per turn in the long run. And that's important because it's a long run average. It's not guaranteed. Obviously you can't get 4.75. There's not even a 4.75 on there. So that's it, assuming I played this over and over again. All right, and the last one, 109. So these are our favorite types of problems from last chapter. All right, so we've got a linear pair here. So 4x minus 3, 3x plus 1. And I guess we could write that right now. Linear pair, supplementary angles, any of those things. So we've got 4x minus 3 plus 3x plus 1 equals 180, because that angle, that straight line adds to 180. 7x minus 2 equals 180. 7x equals 182. X equals 26. And did they reach solve for the variable and state the relationship? Done. All right. That's A, B. We have 5x plus 6 and 2x plus 21. These are on the outside and they're alternating. So this is an alternate exterior. So alternate exterior angles are congruent. 5x plus 6 equals 2x plus 21. Minus 2x from both sides. Minus 6 from both sides. X equals 5. All right, C. So we have the triangle. What do you know about triangles and their angles? Yep, they add to 180. So we could go triangle sum, or your teacher might call it triangle 180. So we have 4x plus 28 plus x plus 19 plus 3x plus 13 equals 180. Some of you just add it straight up from there. That's totally fine too. So you end up with 8x plus, I'm going to use the calculator because I don't want to mess this up. So 28 plus 19 plus 13 is 60 equals 180. My papers. Okay, so then minus 60 from both sides. It's going to be 120. 120 divided by 8 is just 15. All right, am I going to try to squeeze this one in? I think I could squeeze this one in down here. So this is 90, this is 40, and this is 4x minus 10. This is our exterior angle theorem. So what the exterior angle theorem says, if I add these two, I can set it equal to the one on the outside. There is more than one way to solve this problem. If you found this angle first and then did the 180 thing, that's totally fine. But I think the intention of the book was to get you to realize that, hey, we do have a theorem that just says add these two and set it equal to that one. All right, so this is going to be 130 equals 4x minus 10. 140 equals 4x, or x equals 35. All right, hopefully that got through some of your questions. If you still have more questions, please ask your teacher. All right, thanks for watching.